Stop chasing success. This is the real success. So many people are seeking that ever illusion, magical word, success. They are seeking it, but they don't really know why, and most often, they don't even know what success really looks like to them. They are working hard to achieve success. They are trying everything to reach success. They are struggling and fighting for that one thing, that one goal or dream that will, in their mind, be their definition of success. But what they really need to do is drop the idea of success. Drop the idea of success. You only want success because you believe success will make you happy. So instead, focus on doing things that make you happy. Success will come, but don't let it define you. Focus on working on yourself, self development, every single day, reading, learning, meditation daily, gratitude daily, and doing things that genuinely make you feel good. Success will come. Do not let it define you. But they will say, you are wrong. Your answer is misplaced. This is not the reason I want success. I can tell you the answer is not misplaced. If you listen to any of the great coaches and teachers, if you read any of the great self-development books, they all point to this fact. If you study human behavior and pay attention to anyone when they will tell you why they really want to achieve anything at all, it all comes back to one answer. The answer is not based off opinion. It is based off the truth, which you will hopefully learn. When you start your journey into these books and learning from the great teachers, if you don't want success because you believe consciously or unconsciously, it will make you happy. Please tell me why you want it. No matter what answer you give, when you drill down into it, you believe in doing so, it will make you happy. Do you want to make your parents proud? Why? You believe it will make you happy in doing so, consciously or unconsciously. Do you want to prove someone wrong? Why? You believe it will make you happy in doing so, consciously or unconsciously. Do you want to achieve greatness or something similar? Why? You believe it will make you happy in doing so, consciously or unconsciously. Do you want to be able to give back to others or create a better life for your family? Why? You believe in doing so, it will make you happy, consciously or unconsciously. There is no question, no doubt. Every reason you really want success for is because you believe you will feel better in having it. No sane person can argue against that. And there is nothing wrong with that. It is the same for every human being on this planet. Every person that wants anything, any achievement, any relationship, anything at all wants it because they believe at some level they will feel better in having it. What better way is there to live than to do every day that which makes you happy? That is the only success, the only real success. If you achieve happy something, a goal, a dream, accomplished, a trophy, a sum of money, anything, and you are not happy, how could you call that a success? You can't. Happiness is the only success. Living a life of your choosing is the only success. To be very clear, this doesn't mean you should throw away your goals or stop striving to achieve your goals and dreams. You can and should still do that. You can and should still be working on yourself, pushing yourself, getting better, and growing every day. But you should never be blindly chasing an idea of success for no conscious reason, only because you think you will look better or be seen as better by others when you achieve it. Sometimes you just need to take a step back and ask yourself honestly, why? Why do I really want this? Will it make me happy in that? Will it make me happy at all? Is it worth sacrificing for? Working hard for? Is it worth my time and effort? If the answer is yes, great, that's called purpose. If the answer is no, drop the idea of success and instead pursue what makes you happy. The only real success. Wishing you all the only true success. Happiness.